1, 2, 3, step. Good.
Oh, you're faster than me. Nice. Okay.
Yay!
You won. Percy won. Okay, let's do it again. So we got a lot of Play-Dohs here. You're gonna help me count to 10, and then if you count to 10, we can play with our new trains. Okay? These are really cool because we can race them. You can race with me, and we see who's faster. Okay?
I can have this one.
Okay, but hang on, come here, sit here. Sit here with me. But you have to be good. And to get these two trains, we need to count all of these Play-Dohs. Okay, can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
You got it! You got it all the way to 10. Good job. Okay, one more time, and then we get the trains, okay? Ready? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! You got it. Good job. And your reward is you get to pick a train. Which one do you want?
This one.
All right, this one's Percy. All right, let's open up our trains. We got Percy and Luke. See? They're both, what color are they? What color are they?
Green.
Green, but you picked this one, so remember which one you have, okay? Yours has the red, right? Mine doesn't have the red. Mine has what color?
Green.
Green and?
The black.
Green and black. Okay, so we're gonna open them up and we're gonna race them. You ready?
I'm gonna have Percy.
You're gonna have Percy, okay. And mine is who? Who's this one?
Luke.
Luke. Okay, so you're Percy and I'm Luke. Okay, let's open them up, okay?
I'm gonna have a Percy.
Mm-hmm.
You are Luke.
You're right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open them up. These are all yours. Take them out. Pull from underneath. Yeah. Whoa! Nice. Awesome. Take them out. Take them out. Very cool. Nice, Michael. Okay, so your train's out. Can you help me take out my train? Good job. All right, let's get Luke out of the box. Wait, Luke's my train, right? Is Luke mine?
Yeah.
All right, thanks for helping get Luke out of the box for me. All right, let's take him out of this too.
I have Percy.
Yeah, remember yours, Percy, has what color button? What color is this button?
Orange.
Try again.
Orange.
It's not orange, try again. What color is that? What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow, okay. So my button is a different color. Do you know what color this one is?
Black.
This one is not black, this one is tricky. Do you know this color? It's a new color for you, right? This one is gray. Do you know gray?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Gray.
yeah, so gray is for Luke, okay? And Percy, he has, what color button is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. So you have to remember, yellow button is for Percy. That's your train. For my train, Luke, he has a, what color button?
Black.
Gray.
Gray?
Yeah, gray. This is gray. And this is
Yellow.
yellow. And this is
Gray.
gray. And gray is for?
Luke.
Good. And yellow is for?
Percy.
Let's take Luke out of the box.
I take my own plane out of the box.
Yeah, can you help me take Luke out of the box too?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks.
Here.
Thank you.
Here.
Thanks. Okay, so now we need some batteries, alright?
Yeah.
Let's put the batteries in.
Yeah. The batteries in this.
Okay. We need batteries in here, right? Let's see what kind of batteries we need.
There are no batteries in this.
There's no battery in there too?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put batteries in both of them.
Yeah.
Alright, so here,
Whoa.
yeah, it's like the other train we got, remember? But we need to put in the batteries. So here's one, and here's another one. Can you put the batteries in here for me?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. Yep. Good. Oh, yeah, you got it now. Good job. Oh, other way. Yeah. Like this, Michael. So this is a spring side. Nope, you need to push this way first and then push down, okay?
Yeah. Now Percy.
You know what? We don't have enough batteries. We need to borrow battery from Thomas. Yeah, can you get Thomas? We need to take the battery from Thomas.
Where?
Yeah, you put it away. Good job. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna borrow Thomas's battery because we don't have any more batteries for Luke.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put batteries. We're gonna take battery out of Thomas, okay? And put them into Luke.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Percy.
Yeah, can you take battery out of Thomas and put them into Luke for me?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put batteries into our remote control, okay? You did it! Good! Now put them into Luke.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right. Good. He's doing fine. Good job, Michael. Good job!
Yay! I did it!
You did it! Alright, now you can put this back on top for me.
Oh, yeah.
Here, I'll help you. So this one, you see you have to put the back side in here first. You see this piece? It needs to go through here first, like that. And then we can put it down and we'll screw this part in. Okay? Yep, you can do that for this one too.
Yeah.
So first, you need to make sure this part goes in here, okay? Do that part first and then you can close it. Nope, right here. So see, Michael, let go. You need to push like this. You see, like this at an angle. You push this one here first, and then you can close it. Yep. Let me try it. You have to look right here, okay? You have to watch this tab. So when you put it in, you have to make sure this goes through the hole. Almost there? There you go! You got it! Good job! Yeah! You got it! You did it! Good job! Now, we need to screw it down. Uh-oh! Where's our screw?
I don't know.
Oh, it's somewhere around here. I think you dropped it. Oh, I found it! Okay, let's put the screw on here.
Finally done.
Mm-hmm.
Find it.
I found it.
Silly goose.
Silly goose! It was hiding!
Yes, was hiding.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we need more batteries for the remote control too.
Yeah.
So let's put batteries in there.
With some batteries in this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Some batteries. This is for Percy.
So this one is for Luke.
Yeah.
This one is for Percy, remember, okay? What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. And what color is this?
Brown.
This is a new one for you. This one is gray.
Gray?
Yeah, gray.
Gray.
Yeah, say it again.
Gray.
You got it, gray. And this color?
Yellow.
Yellow and?
Gray.
Gray, good. Okay, so we need 4 more batteries.
Yeah.
I need to go get more batteries. Can you wait for me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be back, okay? So let's put the new batteries in here. Good job, Michael. Remember the spring side, put it on the spring first. So push the battery onto the spring first. Other side. So this, you see the flat side? You always want to put the flat side with the spring, okay? This one is not flat. So the flat side with the spring. Yep. Oh, almost.
This is the flat?
The flat, yeah, the flat side with the spring. But the flats, no, you have to put the flat side in first.
The flat?
The flat side.
On the flat side?
Yeah, like that. Good. Good job, Michael. That's it, you got it. Okay, so same thing over here, remember? You need to put the flat side with the spring. Yep.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Good. Whoa! What happened?
It's jumping. It's jumping.
It's jumping. Yeah. Oh, do we have any more battery? Oh. Oh, we do. Here, we have one more.
Let's go with the flat.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you got it. The spring and the flat side. Whoa!
It's jumping.
It keeps jumping.
Yeah, it keeps jumping.
Nice. Good job, Michael. Now we just put this back on. Oh, this one is a different color green. And this is for... What color is this?
Brown.
No, this is a new one for you. This is gray.
Gray?
Gray.
Gray.
Yeah. Gray is for Luke, okay?
Yeah. And green is for Percy.
Well, they're both green, but this button, what color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. You know this one really well, but this one is a new color for you. What color is this?
Gray.
Gray, you got it. High five. Good job. Okay, let's finish this one. Mm-hmm.
This.
Yep. Yep, and let me help you screw it in. Nice job, Michael. We're almost ready to race. Are you excited?
Yeah, on the track.
I don't know if we could race on it. Oh, we could, but the track is not big enough. Whoa. Whoa. It started by himself. You have to turn him off. Turn him off. Turn him off. Okay, good. Okay, so let's make sure we got batteries in both of them. Okay, so we got batteries in both of them. So before we race, let's do a little cleanup, okay? So we need to clean up. So all these boxes, we need to put back into the train box. So let's clean up. Yeah. So that one's over there. Let's put it back in the box. Clean up. We need to put the manual away. Yeah, let's clean up. See, like me. Put this back into the box. Yeah, let's clean up so we have room to play, okay? Here.
No.
Well, wait, we're gonna play with the train, but we need to put this away. Yeah, good. Nice. Put this away. Uh-oh. Wrong end. You see this side here? It needs to go on this side. You see this triangle? It needs to go right here. Okay, so we're gonna put these boxes away so we have room to play, okay?
Yeah.
So go ahead and put these away on our toy corner. Thank you, Michael.
Welcome. There's lights here.
Yeah, thanks. And remember, we borrowed Thomas, so we have to put Thomas away. We don't need Thomas anymore. We just took his batteries. We need to put Thomas away now. Yep. Yeah, thanks for putting away everything, Michael.
Thomas this way.
Yep. Okay.
And Percy.
Yeah. And we have to put away all of our Play-Dohs. Remember we had the Play-Dohs to help you count? Let's put the Play-Dohs away next to the trains too, so we have room. Yeah. It's okay, you just put them away. You just be organized so we have room to play.
I'm putting these Play-Dohs.
Yeah. You're doing good, Michael.
I'm cleaning up these Play-Dohs.
Yeah, I think we're almost ready. Are you ready to race? Whoa, look what you made. Cool. Good job, Michael.
I made a lot of Play-Dohs.
Okay, come here. All right, which one is yours?
This one.
Okay, and which remote control is yours?
This one.
And what color is this button?
Yellow.
And what color is my button?
Brown.
No, it's a new one for you.
Gray.
Great, alright. So, start your engines. Whoa, look what happened. What happened? Your Play-Doh fell.
Yeah.
We'll have to clean up later, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so to start your engine, you need to turn it on first. Okay? Let's start our engine. But don't push the button yet. No, not yet! Get him back! Get him back!
Huh? What?
Oh, look, it came back! He came back! He came back! Okay, come here, Michael. Okay. Come here, sit, sit, sit. So you can't push the button until we start the race, okay?
Yeah.
So, we turn on our engine. So, turn on your engine. Okay. And when I count to 3, we'll push the button and see who will, let's have a target. Let's see who will hit this first. Okay?
Percy.
Percy will? I think Luke will. Okay. On 3, we push the button, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Push!
Yeah.
But you didn't push. Aw, you didn't win. Okay, let's try again. So, we're gonna count to 3 and we both push the buttons at the same time, okay? Okay, so let's start our engines.
Yeah.
So, to start the engine, we're not gonna move yet. Just start the engine. Yes. Okay, so when we count to 3, we're gonna push this button, okay? Oh yeah, there's our target right there. Oh, let's get 2 of them. So, when we hit our target, it's gonna fall down. Okay?
I'm gonna start with this one.
Okay, so we have a fair start, okay? So our engines are started. And when I count to 3, you push the button. Your button, I push my button, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3! Oh, yes! Oh, it's a tie. Let's try again, okay?
I got Percy.
When we count to 3, then we push the button, okay?
1, 2, 3, 6, go! 1, 2, 3, 6, go!
Oh, you're faster than me! Nice! Okay.
Yay!
You
Percy
won! Percy won! Okay, let's do it again. Oh, let's have the trains run into each other. You wanna try that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if they can run into each other. And when they run into each other, they go boom! Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Ready, set, go! Oh! Whoa! Look, they crash into each other!
Go!
Go! So, we're gonna use a train to push the Play-Doh and hit the target. You ready?
Yeah. Set, go!
Wow! Whoa! Whoa, I got stuck! You won! Good job, Michael! Wow, the Play-Doh came back!
Yeah!
Well, did you have fun today, Michael?
Yeah.
Okay, well I think we're all out of playtime today. So let's put our trains away and then we'll come back next time, okay? Alright, can you help me put the trains away and the Play-Doh away? So that we know where they are so next time we can play, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks Michael.
Welcome.
You want to put them back in the box? Okay, let's put them back in the box. Can you get my box too? Here, I'll open this for you. Here, I'll open it for you. You got it? Nice, Michael. Oh, also, let's take out the battery because remember, if you leave the batteries inside, the next time you play, the batteries will be dead. So let's take out the batteries. Okay. Can you help me take out the batteries?
Yeah.
So in the remote control, we have batteries. So let's take out the batteries from there too. Okay, here, I'll help you take out the batteries. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Which one was your favorite game today?
Percy.
You like Percy? How about Thomas? Was Thomas fun?
Yeah.
How about the Play-Doh? Did you like the Play-Doh?
Yeah.
So I think
Green.
you like green. Yeah, we had a lot of green today, huh? Okay, so here's that. Help me take out the batteries. Be careful, don't hurt yourself, okay? Good job, Michael. Okay, let's put, so let's close that up. Here. Close that up. Okay. Alright, let's take out the battery here. Good job, Michael. And do you remember why we need to take out the batteries?
Because you have to.
You have to, because if you don't, next time we want to play, there's no more batteries. We take it out and we save them for next time. Okay? Let's put this one back. I think that was Percy. Let's put Percy back here.
And this is for me.
Yeah.
And I can this for me.
Mm-hmm. Did they work? Yeah, you got it right. Hey, let me help you. You're right. Let's just screw it back on. Did we take out the battery? Yeah, we did. Okay. So here, Percy's ready. You can put Percy in his box. Good, Michael. We always put away our toys when we're done, right?
When we done?
Yeah. And the remote control, I'll put away the batteries.
And I will open the computer.
Mm-hmm. Good job. And here's Percy's box. We'll put him in. I think it goes this way. Oh, no, you're right. It goes like that. Okay. You're put him in his box. I'm gonna put Luke back in his box, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can put Percy in this one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Or you can put that in the back. So put the train in the box first, then put this one later. Good job! Good job, Michael! Now we need to put the manual back in the box too, okay? So if you put them in the front, it's going to cover your train. If you put it back here, it won't cover the train. Yeah! Like that. Let's see, it's putting it all the way, and I can close the box. Yeah, and the next time you come over, we can play again, okay?
Yeah.
Thanks for bringing your toys with you this time. It was fun. Yeah, we played with Thomas, Luke, Percy, and a lot of Play-Dohs. So let's put away the Play-Doh and let's put away Luke too. Yeah, let's put him away. And the Play-Doh?
Gotcha.
Okay. Alright. And before we go today, let's review a couple of things we learned. Come here. Come here, Michael. You can leave it there. Come here. Okay, let's review what we learned. Okay, have a seat. So we learned a new color today. You know this color already, right? What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good. This is the new color you learned. Do you remember what color we learned? Gray. Good job. High five. Yeah, this is a new color. And what color did we learn today?
Gray.
Yep. And remember, we remember how to count from 1 all the way through 10?
Yeah.
Can you remind me how to count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job! 10 fingers! Woo! Alright, say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye! Thanks for stopping by, Michael. We'll see you next time, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, bye!
Bye.
That was a lot of fun. Let your parents know that the Thomas and Friends RC trains are fun. They can work on the track as well as off the track. If you want to buy one, check the link in the description below. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Most epic toys. Hit that bell icon and like this video for more toys. See you guys next time. Bye! Hey, do you still want to play? Well, there's more videos you can watch right now. On the screen, there's a lot of videos. Pick the one you like the best and let's play!